Haka Jingap jong ki babun Hajar Ngut ki Paidbah nong Shillong han Nongpoh. Wan yai kejat Rahul Gandhi Haka arp terik ukulan kot Hajar arp sau Haka baula yai kejat na office jong district transport officer Bhoi district ter hadu hamadan paham sim Nongpoh. Haka bala senran bat sertap dagi bor pulit hendai la yoi bat lala ban sakhi ke jingatur jong ki Paidbah ban yoi yo Rahul Gandhi kalong ke bajur bah. La ban kedo bala pediang sngewbha yo Rahul Gandhi nadu na jorabat dikinong ilam jong seng kongres ki bakentup yo MP ba Vincent H pala kinong ilam jong ke mahila Meghalaya ki samla bat kinong ilam baper bat nagaleng jong jela nang te ter uyat de ke bos bat poi head office DTO Bhoi district bat nang nepat upenlong ye ke jinge kejat ke bau nong ilam uang nut ban penlong ye ne ke jinge kejat ban long ke jingelap ban penlong ye ke ri India kum ke ri ke badan hapedeng jong ke jinge teli bat ban yo ye ke hak kemudian paham sim ke adab hismam dagi Paidbah ki balara ye lagi lama ban peni ke jing kersian ye ke jing ang nut jong ne nong ilam.
To express the support to your effort, our beloved leader Shri Rahul ji, welcome sir to Nongpoh. Shri Gopal ji, General Secretary Shri Jairam Ramesh ji, welcome sir. Shri Kahok Kumbangilaya Kran Kahok Jongi Nginumdo. Sir, the people have come here to express the support to your effort.
And I'd also like to thank you for the tremendous welcome that the BJP was attacking many ideas that are central to the idea of India. The RSS and the BJP were attacking the foundations of our country.
Kadang boleh bawa kita tolong ba? Kani ke jingmot jom dari India, ke jingye iklang, ke jingye snow tulat lang, kadang napring ke jingma, na kadang jom ke RSS tak kiwi.
The idea that all religions should live harmoniously in India, the idea that all communities, all languages, all traditions should be respected, were all systematically being attacked by the RSS.
Kaperkat perdang kepada banyak burung lang, haki niam beper, bak kajing burung iki jai bendri beper, kadang napeng kajing ma nak kadau jom ke RSS.
And so,
Kanyakumari ngadu se Kashmir.
And we walked from the sea to the mountains of Kashmir. We walked from the sea to the mountains of Kashmir.
Nilayayak nadu na duriau, syadu kilung jom kari Kashmir.
And in this walk we had thousands and thousands and thousands of conversations with people.
Nilayayak rengkat baru Paidbah. Hakini ki Hajar kilometer rengkat baru Paidbah.
Do you want to come here?
Easy.
So in this walk of 4,000 kilometers, we listened to the voice of the people of India.
Agane ka jingya kijat ke basau Hajar kilometer nilai asngam ya kasur ke jingdon kam jong Paidbah.
Farmers, laborers,
kinong rep, kinong pelasni,
young people,
kisamla,
millions and millions of people spoke to us.
laki po Hajar ki Paidbah kila keren ini.
After the walk, many people came to us and said, "You have walked from south to north, but what about the other axis, east to west?"
Hadirin jong kene ke jingya kijat buang kilawan om yangi kilayat na syati syatai lano piniai nami ni syaset nipa.
What about the voice of the people who live in the northeast? What about the voice of the people in Orissa, in Bengal, in Uttar Pradesh, in Bihar?
Kay namta ka sur jong kibriu ki basa north east, ki basa west Bengal, ki basa hapo Orissa, naga banta jong ki ti beniai. Manipur.
And so we decided that we would do another Bharat Jodo Yatra that would go from Manipur all the way to Maharashtra.
Dene taga daw mangilaray baniya ya kanega Bharat Jodo Yatra hakasin ka baar na Manipur sa Maharashtra.
And people ask us, Why did you start from Manipur?
Bagi beliau kikelilingi balai Brisdang na Manipur.
And the reason is because the ideology of the RSS and the BJP has destroyed the idea of Manipur.
Kadang kalong ngiyat na Manipur ka RSS bat ka BJP kala penjat ya karukom perkhat perdaing hapok kejela Manipur.
The politics of hatred and violence has torn the state apart.
Kajinglah politics kajing bisni perpihun kala tar lengkot lengkai ya kejela Manipur.
Hundreds of people have died, thousands of people have lost their property. It is a complete tragedy.
Daki spa Ngut kibril kilaya, bat daki Hajar Ngut kiladu ki jaga ki puta ki jongki bat kalong ke basnosi.
And that is why we wanted to send a message to the rest of India about the pain that the people of Manipur are feeling.
Dena kane kadao, ni kwa ban pak ka khubor saboro kali India, ya ka jing sitom bat ka kya ka shon jong ka jela Manipur.
It is amazing to me that the Prime Minister of India, after many months, has not even bothered to pay a visit to the people of Manipur.
Kapan sayang ngai nyanga bau Prime Minister dan kali India mentah daki bun benai umpat lek jengok ya ka jela Manipur.
Is Manipur not an Indian state?
Balai ka Manipur kambe ka jela hapok kali India?
Are the people of Manipur not from the state, from India?
Kinong song jong ka jela Manipur kindai mau kinong India?
The Prime Minister has travelled to so many states, but he refuses to go to Manipur.
U Prime Minister ulai segi babon ki jela hanrai u kentai balai sepok Manipur.
Brothers and sisters, if the Prime Minister of India wanted to stop the violence in Manipur, he could stop it in 3 days.
Ko henmen ko para ladau Prime Minister upua ban pensange ya ka jingya snam hapok Manipur ula ban le tang hapok laisngi.
If he told the Indian army that the violence in Manipur should be stopped, I am confident that the Indian army would have stopped the violence within a matter of days.
Ladau ong ya ki sipai army jong kali India pensange no ya kane ka jingya snam hapok Manipur tang hapok sisngi kin salah ban te lakam.
The truth is, he is not interested in stopping the violence in Manipur.
Kajing sisya bat kalong don kajing Ngut tane kajing terang ban pensange ya kane kajing ya snam hapok Manipur.
The government of India is perfectly happy to allow Manipur to burn and the people of Manipur to suffer.
Kasorkar India ikum baka kemen ban ailat baka jela Manipur kan ing bat kan syam sitom baka jing janja.
The yatra went from Manipur to Nagaland to Assam, Arunachal, and has now come to your beautiful state.
Kene kajing ya kijat kelas dang na Manipur kala poi sa Nagaland kala poi sa Assam Arunachal bat menta kala poi ha kene kajela bi kijat.
You might be smaller than Uttar Pradesh, but for us, all states in the Indian Union are equally important.
Kila ban rip kum ka jela ba ya nujor bat Uttar Pradesh Henry watla pirit naga benta ka jangi kilong ki bakongsan.
We do not view a child of Manipur, a child of Meghalaya any different than we view a child of Uttar Pradesh or Bihar or Tamil Nadu.
Ngim penya pher apden ki khun jong ka jela Meghalaya ne Manipur bat ki wei ki jela kum ka Uttar Pradesh lane ka Bihar.
We respect your culture, your tradition, your languages.
Ni purom ya kariti ka dustur ka jongpi karukom im ka jongpi bat ikiten ki thulik ki jongpi.
And we believe fundamentally that Meghalaya should be ruled from Meghalaya. Meghalaya should be ruled from Meghalaya.
Bat ngingay ru ba ya ka jela Meghalaya deban sisar na kinong Meghalaya.
That is why I clearly stated in Parliament that our Constitution says,
Bat dena ka daw
I clearly stated in Parliament that our Constitution says that India is a union of states.
ngala keren syai hapo parlimen bat dakaba omba kari India kadai ka jingya senrop lang jong ki jela baper.
And what this means is that the states come together and form a union.
Ka jingot jong kene galong baki jela baper ki asno ki lang ban form ban lane ban thau ya kawai kari lane kawai ka sunjuk.
And it also means that every single state of this great nation is equal.
But kamodro mala ki jela jong kene ka jela ba jong kene kari ki yarangkam.
And their voice is equally important.
But kasur jong baro ki jela ki dei ban yarangkap do.
Now, the voice of Meghalaya, the voice of Manipur, the voice of Arunachal, these are all being attacked.
Henry minta kasur na Meghalaya, kasur na po Manipur, kasur na po Arunachal, omdan masngap, omdan mapurwa.
Your tradition, your history, your way of life is being attacked by the RSS.
Karukom im ka jongpi, kariti ka dustur ka jongpi, but kalay kawan ka jongpi, ka RSS kastang manyon hakini kiski.
The conversation between the states happens through the institutions of the nation.
Kajing yak kren hapdeng ki jela wafer bat ka sorkar pedeng kaya lengma kini ki institution kamut ki institution wafer apok kari India.
The legal system, the election commission, these institutions protect the conversation between our states. The conversation between our states happens through the institutions of India.
Kajing yak kren hapdeng ki jela wafer bat kari India ki wan lengma kini ki institution ki wafer.
And the constitution protects the conversation between our states.
But kini ki institution wafer ki ada ya kata kajing ada yang hapdeng ki jela bat ka sorkar pedeng.
And today the RSS is strangling the constitution, strangling the institutional framework of India.
Pada kini kiski KRS kasdang man kinyot ya kini ki institution bakunjuru ya ke constitution dan kari India.
And Meghalaya is not ruled from Meghalaya. Meghalaya is ruled from Delhi.
But ya ke jela Meghalaya ki klaim sensiar na po Meghalaya hanrai la sensiar na Delhi.
And as far as we are concerned, this is not acceptable.
But hakar kom perkhat perdain ke jongi ngimla awan pediang ya kani.
The nation is facing the highest levels of unemployment it has faced in the last 40 years.
Kari ke jongi menta kayoi ya ka jing bom dan kam dan jam ke basyar kai menta ka bat krau tam hakini ki South Coast dan ki balalit.
The Home Minister himself called Meghalaya's government the most corrupt government in the nation.
Home Minister jong kari India daladehi ulaong ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kadai ka sorkar ka babam saptam hapo kari India.
And then immediately after calling the government of Meghalaya the most corrupt, he partnered with it.
Hadin ba ula keno ba kidai ki babam saptam tang hadin katto kanesni menta uya trailang batki.
There is the illegal coal transport scam, the assembly dome collapse scam.
Kadon ka jing khai tu yau doyong bat ka dom jong ka assembly ro kala kelong.
These are clear for all of you to see.
Kini kita kisim ki bamangi baro ngiyoi dalaki kemat.
Your languages are not included in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule, but your languages, Khasi and Garo, have no room in that.
Kakitin Khasi ba kakitin Garo ki kelempat penderung hadu menta hapo ka 8 schedule. Kidon ar tuli kitin hapo kari India ki baladon hapo ka 8 schedule.
The structures that we got to protect your land, protect the Adivasis, protect the local forests has been uprooted.
Kilap jingeda kumno ban penne ya karti ke dustur ki jongpi Hang ne ya ki adivasi ya ka tin Katolik ke jong pi baro ki sedang mentunjuk anta.
The power of your autonomous councils is snatched away from them.
Kabor jong ki district council ki jongi enang pentelot susu iki lakini kabor ke jong ki.
So all the work we did in decentralizing power, giving power to the people of Meghalaya is being reversed slowly.
Baro ki bor ki ba mangingi la ai kamtam sa Meghalaya ki district council lasdang ban penduk kawai hadim kawai.
These are some of the issues that we want to raise in the Bharat Chodo Nyaya Yatra.
Kini gidi kimat ki ba kongsan ki ba ngakwa na persno si ki Paidbah Haka jingyai kijat ke jonga ka Bharat Jodo Yatra.
But the most important thing that the Bharat Chodo Yatra is aimed at is talking to you and listening to you.
Henry ka ba kantong santam ka thong ka bangabu hakane ka jingyai kijat Bharat Jodo Yatra kalong banya keren batpi bat ban snap yepi.
Understanding the dreams of the youngsters of Meghalaya.
Ban snow thu ya ka jing angnot ka jing pos new jong ki khun samla na Meghalaya.
Understanding the difficulties faced by the farmers of this state.
Ban snow thu ya ka jing ba ki nongrep nagane ka jalla ki mat.
Understanding the potential of the state.
Ban ituru ka ka lat ka kabu ka bala ban le hakane ka jalla ka jong.
And most important for me is making a relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ka ba kantong santam na kamenta ka jonga kalong bandon ka jingya dai hapdeng jonga bat ki Paidbah langsung sunong hapo ka jalla
I
Meghalaya.
come here with humility, with respect, and respect towards your culture, your tradition, and I come here to listen and to learn from you.
Ngalawan sene na ka jing snorit ban snap ya pi ban burong ya kariti ka dustur ka jong pi bat ban snap ya ki jingdon kam ki jong pi.
I am not here to tell you my Man Ki Baat, I am here to listen to your Man Ki Baat.
Na klemwan hangne ban tum snow ya ka jing snow ka donut ka jonga hanre ngawan hangne ban snap ya ka jing snow ka donut ka jong pi.
And so in the yatra we spent 6-7 hours talking to the people of Meghalaya and other states, and then in the end we speak for 20-25 minutes.
Kabangi ya kijat riu nyau kenta ni snap ya ka sur jong ki nongsong snong hagi jela per kunjuro ka jela ka jong pi bat hagi bakot ka jing ya kijat ni keren tang arpor husan minit.